Hey, Dave Knight here on YouTube only right now, but working on Dave Knight Trading in the future. This is a only. Suggestion only, 5 minute. All right. Uh, Topic today. Today is actually July 10th, 2023. This will be my last week before I take some vacation time, and then probably start up last week of July into the first week of August. So I wanted to say that up front. So probably last trading day of July might be the 14th for me, and then taking a couple weeks off, mid-year break, and then
Potential TX on MQ.
going August through December at that point. All right, so let's get that into it. Not every topic today, not every day is a hard day. Some days are so easy that you think, wow, that was quick. I started my
Potential
day.
TX on MQ.
I started my physical day trading at 10:30. I was done in less than 10 minutes. I went as far as well. Let's just bring it over and show you. All right, see, I got I'm on 69. She said it. That's what she said. 69. I'm 54 ticks today. $540. I trade two Nasdaqs. They're $5 a tick. I always think of it as $10 a tick. I'm coming from the crude oil futures arena, so that's why I think it in my head. $10 a tick. I was comfortable trading $10 a tick in crude oil. I'm comfortable trading $10 a tick in the Nasdaq now. Um, it's game time. You know, I'm at that point of the year that I'm at. I talked about the mid-year. Now I'm talking about all right, now it's time to make some money at the last half of 2023. First step, right? Get back into the PA. Once I do get back in the PA, it'll be PA 9. But not every day is a hard day. Some days is easy. Today I had 2 wins, no losses, 2 break evens, and all that happened within 10 minutes. Actually, a little bit less than 10 minutes. So let's pull over. I didn't start until 10:30 either, by the way. So I let the market trade 9:30 to 10:30, but there was a beautiful setup prior to what I took on. Um, Hopefully you can see it. You know I like shorts, right?
Potential TX
Look at
on
that
ES.
setup right there.
Potential double TX
And I'm going
on
to show you
ES.
the 10-minute chart in a minute that even gave it a better signal on this one over here. So this is the trade that I caught right here.
Potential TDS on ES.
This was prior to the 10:30 mark, but look at that setup right there. Dr. Barry Burns talks about this candlestick as being a very important candlestick. It is a very important candlestick. It's called the hammer. Hammer. It's where you go low, you start, it goes down, and finishes up. So if it's a reverse of that, meaning it's going this way, it's called a shooting star. Those are two of the most important candlesticks when you're looking at trading charts for reversals. Anyway, so long story short, here's the trade setup that I caught. It was a nice little setup. I was able to
Potential
catch
TX on MQ.
physically. I was able to catch this bar. This bar right here was my trading bar, and I was done. Actually, this one went lower. I was done before it moved back up. So you can see it doesn't take a lot of movement in a market to make some money, especially in the NASDAQ. All you need is a little bit of momentum on your side. Once again, waiting for a 5 minute to finish and complete. I jumped on here and I wrote it down to, well, when it came back up, I was out. So I think somewhere in that area is where I got out. Was able to pick up 54 ticks on 2
Potential TX
contracts.
on MQ.
Once again, I had a couple break evens before it broke. So I went 2 break evens, and 2 wins on my trading day. And that is 5 minutes of my time.
Potential TX on NQ.
Roughly 5 minutes of time. So the topic of today was not every day has to be a hard day, right? Notice I have the Apex trading platform up. I guess we could go back and look quickly at the market since it's not that far away from when I was trading it. Here's the area that I caught right there on the, and then I got stopped out coming back. I was able to catch as far as marks caught.
Potential TX on NQ. Trapped orders with exhaustion box on NQ. Potential elevator on NQ.
I believe this one right here got stopped out. Where did it get stopped? I was in it on this one. I know I was definitely in over here. You can see my trade entries where I got break even, and I like an area that hits several different times and then breaks through. My win came in here, right here, I believe. There, this is the trade that won it for me. It was right in here. Catching this, holding on, and getting this move coming down to here. See, here's my fill on the stop. So there's the physical trade you can see with entry points around here on this move going down. A couple break evens before that. Holding on this one. And here's my exit bar right there with that little blue mark right there. So I think it was another, where did I catch it? Here's where I caught the short right there on that breakthrough. It went up a little bit, and then this is my
Trapped
trade
orders
win.
with exhaustion box on
This is
ES.
the win. See, like I said,
TX on ES.
it doesn't take a lot to win a day right there. So this move right here was basically worth $500 on 2 contracts. I think I was up maybe 100 and something prior to this. So maybe it was worth about 40 ticks roughly. 35 to 40 ticks. This move right there. All right, Dave Knight here at Dave Knight Trading. Find me here on YouTube right now. Talk to you on the next video I put together. Bye for now.